Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now I am going to explain 2020, 19 and 18, the final NEET question papers, the whatever questions given from mineral nutrition. So first question, it is given 2020 final NEET. So match the following concerning essential elements and their functions in plants. There are total 4 elements given: A. Iron, B. Zinc, C. Boron, D. Manganese. So they are given right side group B, 4 options they are given. Here left side 4 elements are given. So iron, it is essential for chlorophyll pigment formation, that is the chlorophyll pigment biosynthesis. Second element is zinc. Zinc, it is essential for IAA synthesis, but here IAA means that is auxin. The chemical name of auxin, indole acetic acid. This full form indole 3 acetic acid. So this is IAA biosynthesis, that is auxin biosynthesis. Boron, so C, boron, that is boron, it is useful for pollen germination. Next D, manganese. Manganese, it is useful for photolysis of water during photosynthesis. In jet stream pathway near PS2, photolysis of water occurs. So that is promoted by manganese, that is involved by manganese and as well as chlorine also. So this question direct from NCERT textbook. Second question, it is also given final 2020 NEET. Second question, the products of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminous plants is are. Now what they are asking here, nitrogen fixation. So that is carried by some specific microbes like rhizobium. So like the different microbes are involved with the help of nitrogenase enzyme. In NCERT direct one statement is there, one equation is there. N2, 8 electrons, 8 protons, 16 ATPs. So the presence of nitrogenase enzyme, 2 NH3 molecules are formed, 1 H2 molecule is formed. Next 16 ADPs, 16 inorganic phosphates are formed. That is the direct equation is there. So ammonia, hydrogen, first option they are given. Second ammonia alone. Third nitrate alone. Fourth ammonia and oxygen. This is direct statement from NCERT textbook. Ammonia and hydrogen. It is also directly from NCERT textbook. So direct statement from NCERT. Third question, it is COVID batch. So again because of COVID pandemic situation, again they conducted one more time exam for especially the COVID affected students. So third question, it is also 2020 only. So eighth question, in glycine max, the product of biological nitrogen fixation is transported from the root nodules to other parts. It's here in the form of ammonia or glutamate, nitrate and urates. So the direct statement urates. Especially in the glycine max, it is scientific name of soybean. So soybean scientific name glycine max. In soybean plant or glycine max, the fixed nitrogen, it is transported in the form of urates. It is also directly from NCERT textbook direct lines. Next, in 2019 the NEET exam, this question it is given. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out. So Thiobacillus, Pseudomonas, there are 2 bacterial cells are there. They play important role denitrification. They are given different options like nitrogen fixation, chemo autotrophic fixation, nitrification, Denitrification. Denitrification, it is correct answer. So here the Thiobacillus, along with Thiobacillus, Pseudomonas, one more bacterial cell is there. Both the bacterial cells, they play important role in denitrification. Denitrification, the process of conversion of nitrate ion to N2 or molecular nitrogen, that is called denitrification. It is also directly from NCERT textbook. Next, fifth question. Which of the following forms is iron absorbed by plants? This question it is given 2018, the final NEET. So the iron absorbed by plants in the form of which ionic form? So ferric ion, ferrous ion, both ferric and ferrous, free element ion. Ferric ion. So this is plants, they absorb iron in the form of ferric ionic form. So it is also directly from textbook, NCERT textbook, direct statement. So role of mineral elements, that is iron. So next, it is given 2018 final NEET. Which of the following element is responsible for maintaining turgor in cell? But in the NCERT textbook, turgidity in the cell, especially guard cells. So they are given 4 elements: magnesium, sodium, calcium, potassium. So potassium, it play important role in turgidity, especially in guard cells. Because of this potassium element only, so turgor pressure developed in the guard cells, that swells, ultimately stomatal pore opens. So stomatal pore opening and closure mechanism, that is involved because of K+ ion, that is the potassium. So here all these are the previous NEET bits, especially the 2020 and 19 and 18, so final NEET exam bits. This is also direct NCERT textbook.